What is the most dangerous country in the world? Answer A, Afghanistan. What is the richest country in the world? Answer C, Luxembourg. What is the most corrupted country in the world? Answer C, Malaysia. Which country has the most internet users in the world? Answer B, China. Which country has the most time zones? Answer A, France. Which country is the world's largest producer of chocolate? Answer C, Belgium. Comment. How many did you get correct? What type of weather kills the most people each year? Answer C, heat. What is the hottest continent on Earth? Answer B, Africa. What is the largest country in Scandinavia? Answer C, Sweden. What is the world's largest non-continental island? Answer B, Greenland. Which country has the most castles in the world? Answer B, Germany. What was the capital of Japan before Tokyo? Answer A, Kyoto. Comment. How many did you get correct? What has a soul but no body? Answer C, ghost. What has a top but no bottom? Answer A, mountain. What has a beginning but no end? Answer C, circle. What has a code but no programmer? Answer B, DNA. What has an end but no beginning? Answer C, rope. What has a bottom but no top? Answer A, leg. Comment. How many did you get correct?